In your Ubuntu computer, sometimes you are facing this problem that unable to access your drive. So it's your drive, but Ubuntu saying that you cannot access. So how to repair this problem?
To solve this issue, you need to just type disk and you need to click this applications, disks. Okay, then you will see this interface and you need to click the hard drive and then click settings button, then click repair file system. I'm clicking OK. After that it's repairing and I'm closing this. Oh, repair successful. Okay, now this drive is accessible. Now I'm going to check. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, now it's open. Okay, you should stop. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.